Hey guys, welcome to another baby turban tutorial, and now we are making one that has this top right here. I don't know what it's called. I'm not sure if it's a knot or whatever it is, but I think this is the most popular one. I've seen a lot of these on Celebrity Kids and a lot of these on social media, so we are going to be making this. In order to achieve this, you will first need a turban base. This is what we call a turban base. I do have a tutorial on how to make this and other different bases. Whichever one you prefer, just go back to my old videos and you'll find it. Also, you will need something that will give this volume. So you can either use a hair donut or a piece of socks, and make sure you use a new one. You do not want to make this with old socks, especially if you're going to be selling them. Make sure you're using new socks. Also, you will need something that will cover this, the piece of fabric that will cover this, and the piece is right here. This piece of fabric measures 12 inches by 4.5. 12 by 4.5. And what you're going to do is you are just going to fold it in half, go to your sewing machine, and sew a straight line. And that's it. Just take it, fold it in half, and go to your sewing machine and sew a straight line. So I've already done mine, and I use a serger. And the next thing is you're going to take either your hair donut or your socks. So for the socks, what you're going to need to do is just cut a tiny piece right here and just turn it inside out, because this doesn't look good, and just start turning it like this. And here you go. So you have a choice of either using a pair of socks or a hair donut. So after that, you want to take the piece that we just did, put it in, here's a hair donut, do that, right, and start rolling it. And as you roll, you want to pull. The reason I don't like to use the hair donut is because it's dark, so it shows a lot. But if you use socks, especially if you get white or pink, which is the same color as your fabric, it doesn't show. And once you get here, you want to stop, because you want a little bit excess left, so you will use it to cover your back. As usual, we do not want raw edges at the back, so just leave a tiny piece and we'll use it to cover the raw edges. So you want to take your turban base, take this piece, tuck it inside here. There you go. I'm going to repeat. Take your piece, tuck it inside, and pull. And once you get here, I'm going to get my hand needle and show you guys what's next. So here's my hand needle, and we just put this in here. So what we want to do is we just want to fold and do that, fold and do that, then hem around this part so we don't have raw edges. Okay guys, our inside is already done. So what we're going to do now is bring the needle outside, and now we are just going to hem this to our turban base. I am done hemming, and it means I am done hemming, and that means our turban is done and ready to wear. The reason we hem on the sides is because number one, we want to hide the raw edges, but number two, it makes it secure. And the reason we hem the inside is to hide the raw edges. So this is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.